Good morning all. I picked up Corey this morning. We went to Craig's to try to get that other raccoon, and he outsmarted Craig again. Craig, be smarter than the raccoon. I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on. He's essentially been feeding him gourmet meals. Hot dogs and chicken. So, and all we're trying to do is reunite him with, I don't know whether that was Dad or is his brother or somebody, because I really feel bad about it. I wonder if the raccoons are lonely. I wonder what's going through their head. I still wonder what's going through my kid's head, you know? So the raccoon goes without his partner, father, brother, son, for a weekend. Come on, man. I'm trying to help you out here. So they missed the 4th of July. Craig, that is unbelievable.
Thanks, man.
That's absolutely unbelievable.
Yeah. I felt it.
Probably gonna see a bonus check in your payroll this week. There you go.
Mazel tov, mazel tov, mazel tov, mazel tov, mazel tov.
He said he was told that there was 4 to 16 inches.
4 to 16?
Yeah. That's what he was told. 4 to 16 inches. That's all we've got, gentlemen. Put your number.
How did you even get that range from somebody?
I said that. I said that's quite a parameter.
Jamer said the fold is just 3 to 5.
Okay, well, when were you going to speak up and tell that little tidbit of information, Sam? You were withholding that, weren't you? Yeah, okay. That's the Sam should be.
Are we doing the total inches or how much cover there is?
There's always one guy, right? My directions were as clear as can be. Well, now it makes sense. It's Mike. What was the question?
What was your question?
Because Mike apparently has a spokesperson.
You said I'm giving you 3 numbers. A couple challenges from retiring.
Yeah, I don't know, Mike. But dude, you were so close, though, Mike.
I am.
You were so close.
I looked at the stick and I lost.
Do you know the guy who has the least amount of wins gets 10,000 for the year? So,
The Lord your God,
The Lord your God,
with all your heart,
with all your heart,
with all your soul,
with all your soul,
with all your might.
with all your might.
Take to heart these instructions, which I command you this day.
Which I command you this day.
Impress them upon your children.
Impress them upon your children.
Talk about them when you sit.
Talk about them when you sit.
At home.
At home.
When you walk along the way.
When you walk along the way.
When you lie down.
When you lie down.
And when you get up.
And when you get up.
Bind them as a sign.
Bind them as a sign.
On your hand.
On your hand.
And let them serve.
And let them serve.
As a symbol.
As a symbol.
On your forehead.
On your forehead.
Inscribe them.
Inscribe them.
On the doorposts.
On the doorposts.
Of your house.
Of your house.
And on your gates.
And on your gates.
Mazel tov, mazel tov, mazel tov, mazel tov, mazel tov, mazel tov, mazel tov. Yeah, hey, Landu, mazel tov.
can you look at the stick? Yeah. What do you mean now?
I just want to look at the stick.
Okay, go ahead. The numbers are always going to be progressive.
I just want to look at the stick. It's 40
Gotcha.
because I know.
Oh, you're a visual guy.
Yeah,
I get it. I get it. I get it.
Let me see what that is.
Your number there?
We're going to be late for inspection. We're all going to rake it now. This is the first time that actually any of them are doing any kind of physical work.
Oh, wait.
All right, Sam, I take that back.
I cleaned the tank. I cut the tank.
All right. It's just a joke. Somebody is getting paid by YouTube. That's right, folks. One day in, $6.31. I did not think it was going to be this profitable. So we're looking at an early retirement, which is cool. I mean, at what age was it where your kids just don't listen to you? When did that happen? It's like the older I get, apparently the dumber I get.
Mazel tov, mazel tov, mazel tov, mazel tov, mazel tov, mazel tov, mazel tov. Yeah, hey, Landu.
See, it was premature me showing you and bragging. Corey, you didn't even do this. What is going on, man?
He said he takes blower.
It's all how you finish, boys.
He wanted it.
What time is it? It's like 1 o'clock. I don't know, man. Youth is wasted on the young. You know, you could do an unbelievable job on their tank removal project. And then the wife will come in and say, ah, they didn't put the horse trough back. Damn company sucks. Okay. I am too old for this. We are done. Tell me what you think. I know, right? That's not all. Look at Craig. Look. Dude, what's up? Still work to be done.
Where's that?
Where's Jammer? Okay.
Did we say something first?
What did we say?
Did you start it?
Well, yeah, so
Hide it.
what did we say?
Thank you for the support.
Yeah, we did it. In the file, it says tight area, no parking. It's off a major highway. So yay. Cool, everything lined up today perfectly. You know, homeowners of the year. He did not put Milky Way in there, did he? I'm gonna get a little emotional. So that's it, that's what we're doing. We're losing money this week. Ramen noodles tonight, Nance. Good morning, you Tank Master viewers. I appreciate you 300 to 500 people that are always watching. Your loyalty humbles me. Your comments, awesome. Appreciate it. Nobody says a bad thing. Probably because I'd block you if you did. I'd give you a verbal thrashing first and then I'd block you. That's kind of the stuff I do. There she is in all of her glory. Untouched, probably 50 years. It's time to come out, Tank. You've done the family well. It's time to come out. Yeah, there you go. Hey, whoa, easy. Yeah, that was abrasive. Come on. Gotta go this way. Stop. What do you think that is? How does that thing come off now? Oh!
It's on that.
Dude, that was his tail.
That clip right
I
there.
didn't even clip it out.
This clip right here.
Yeah, can you do it?
Oh my fucking.
Good morning, folks. I know with women with cleavage, I know what they feel like now, because everybody just looks at that.
Dude, one slip and you're hitting your shin right there.
Hey, I don't know why you just don't cut it. I mean, I know it's gonna seem like a loss.
You shush over there.
To me.
You shush.
They don't want to cut it. Look, so stubborn. Because that would mean I was right. So here's where the above ground tank is going. It's not fitting.
No.
Come on. Hey, Craig.
Oh shit. What's up, dude?
Everybody's at the shop waiting for you.
Are we working today?
Yeah. That's going to be our new thing. I always have a picture of Sammy sitting. Okay, boys, 58-year married couple. So if you guys were on the fence about marrying, there's the reason you should, right over there. They're as happy as can be. Okay? Don't go based on your mother and I's relationship. Just because my wife wants to do this red shirt thing. So I'll get there. I've tried the Jim Candy 2X shirts. Don't look pretty either. Down to my knees, you know. I don't have the best figure. Mikey's in here doing TikTok. I don't know what it is, why we leave trucks running. Why do we leave trucks running? Hey, let's see if we can get an answer on it, because it's a pet peeve of mine. Why do we leave trucks running?
It's a learned trait from you.
No, how about this? Why do you leave trucks running when you know the boss wants you to turn the effing trucks off? Break it down.
Because we don't.
Why are you insubordinate to your boss?
We don't care what you say.
That's nice. What are we talking about?
You have 4 children here. You just told the homeowner.
Right.
Rank us 1 through 4. We have our
with regards to what? Because you're different.
No. We've come up with your answer for our.
Well, I mean, I got best attitude.
No.
I got I got best athlete. I got
100.
I got dude I'd spend a weekend with.
4.
You know. Why? So.
No.
Jammer. Mom is gonna. It's Nancy. I didn't start this, Nance.
Okay, come on.
It's pretty close. All right. Let's Jammer, you know I love you.
No, he doesn't.
I mean, he needs a hug right now, that's for sure. Come here, bro. Come on. I'm sorry. Okay. This little device I bought, I think we're finally going to use it now. Just give it a little pump. A couple of pumps. Craig, Sam's got that.
What am I doing?
Ladder man. Tell your father how easy this is now.
Got it.
Wait, we gotta go this way though.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Huh? Talk to me. Praise me as we walk.
Hi. I feel like I'm doing everything. I'm doing 100.
Everybody feels like they're doing everything.
No, Corey's clearly not doing a thing.
Yeah, I can see that.
What do you want me to do?
I can see that. Just continue to be number 1, Cor.
I am.
Here, bump that out. I don't think so.
I had to get off the brakes and ride it out. I almost went in the swamp. What's up? That's a motocross skills.
All right, Craig is loading up Megatron. You got to be careful with her and throttle down. That's full speed. Good morning, everyone. We're at it again. More tanks. When are the tanks gonna run out, Brian? Never. Never. You know why? Because people won't pull them out. Why can they leave that tank out there? Let's just leave it out there. It's not leaking right now. Let's leave it out there, because in 10 years it will leak, and that's when we'll take it out, 3 weeks before closing. That's what we'll do. Yeah. Sweet.
So if I push it back, can you cut a little slice so I can pull it out?
You're asking us to cut that again?
Unless you want to leave it in the wall.
I'm out of breath. I feel like Dale Earnhardt.
Push it forward.